Leg.
I think it's about time we get a couple trucks off my insurance. We're going to start with this one, with the Ford truck here. And we got an M134 minigun that's going to help us do just that. Ford, you really pissed me off going woke. I was loyal. I'm actually kind of disappointed with us. I mean, we hit the rim a lot. We got some bullets in there, but man, not as many rounds as I thought. We actually hit the truck. A lot must have went through the window and maybe a little bit underneath here. But I mean, we still got some holes in here, but I'm definitely not happy with this. We're going to have to do something else to finish this thing off. How about a Ma Deuce and we add some propane tanks and stuff in here? Sounds good to me. So now this thing's like a porta potty. And what do you put in porta potty? A lot of shit. Target bags, Bud Light. More Target bags. Yeah. What would make a better target than a Target bag? I was very disappointed with the minigun. Now we got the Ma Deuce, some good rounds in it. And let's see what we can do to this thing now.
If you see me walking down the line with my favorite honky-tonkin' mind, well, I'll be here around supper time with my can of dinner and a bunch of wine. Beer drinkers and Hellraisers, yeah. Baby, don't you wanna come with me? The crowd gets loud when the band gets right. Still guitar crying through the night. Yeah, trying to cover up the corner fight. But everything's cool 'cause this is time. Drinkers, Hellraisers, yeah. Girl, baby, don't you wanna come with me? I will. Jump me like a cat on hot tin. Lord, I thought the floor was gonna give in. Sounded like a house conversion. 'Cause we're experimental and professional. Beer drinkers, Hellraisers, yeah. Well, baby, don't you wanna come with me?
Ford, it's unfortunate it had to come to this, but this really pissed me off again. I mean, I could put up with a lot of crap, but that hit home. And I might even start looking at like GMC or Dodge. I don't know. I mean, I've always been loyal to Ford. Hopefully you could do something to make this better. I want to be very clear for the record again. I have no problem with the gay community or LGBTQ. Live your life however you want. I am just tired of Ford and other companies ramming it down our throats. This has got to stop. We don't need to see this. Our kids don't need to see this constantly. Literally pushing it way too hard.
you like, subscribe.